I don't know if anyone else feels this way, but I'm so sick of shaving. Like, I bleed all the time. I have to do it 24/7, and I have OCD, so like I can't just let it grow out. My brain will go haywire and I will have anxiety. Even this is just like, it's so crusty. Like, oh. My therapist tells me that I need to do more exposure therapy. I'm going to try to grow with waxing. You have to grow your hair out for 2 to 3 weeks. I felt so out of control when I did it for the first time, and I finally got to like wax my hair off. It was actually really satisfying. It was worth all the stress, to be honest. Lowest pain tolerance ever, and this doesn't even sting at all. Also just so satisfying to watch the wax melt for my OCD brain, especially with combining the different colors. And you can just buy the wax beads once you have the jelly wax melting pot. It's so cost effective. I love how they make it accessible for everybody. And I'm pretty sure that these beads have essential oils in them because they smell super good. Probably has like lavender or something in it, because why am I so relaxed after doing this? Pulling it off, a little red, but oh my gosh, do you guys see that? So disgusting, but also so satisfying. Literally see the little hair follicles. Took out the root. The redness already went away. Growing out my hair was really uncomfortable. It helped me realize that I can do hard things. Okay, look at the difference that makes. This is your sign to step out of your comfort zone and do scary things. Thank you, Jelly Wax, for helping me do that. My therapist is probably obsessed with you.